Jamaica has increased its drive to reduce the Aedes aegypti population that causes chikungunya, Zika, and dengue. Several activities are being undertaken as part of the Integrated Vector Control Program.
The country has been on high alert as it relates to mosquito-borne challenges.
We recognize that we couldn't stay in our offices and get the work done. So we have embarked on this effort, Operation Mosquito Search and Destroy.
We protect ourselves against the mosquito, right? What we're trying to do here is to prevent infection. And that is a function of public education, but also keeping our environment clean. Over the last year, we have the team at the Ministry of Health and the health workers out in the field, public health officers, with their respective teams, have visited somewhere in the region of about 300,000 homes.
We wanted to find a way that we could mobilize and motivate the community to get involved in having a part in the whole prevention. So we came up with this idea of stop and wrap. What it involves, we go into the community, stop and talk to people, talk to them about how they can control mosquito breeding on their premises.
Today I'm very elated seeing the part that the ministry has taken to trying to educate we as citizens of this community.
And so we increased our fogging in these areas especially, in addition to the routine fogging being done in all areas within the country.
Zika virus. Zika virus.
It's all about community participation and people taking action.
The Caribbean territory, but we now want that virus take set pan.
Protect yourself from the bite of this mosquito.
Zippy is on a roll. Let's work together to keep it in control. Aedes aegypti, Falabakami, Zippy and me, can't agree.
And find every place where you could hide, we're going to eradicate. We're going to eliminate. We're going to punch the tire them, clean out the drain, bore up the tin them, clean out the drain, cover the drum them, clean out the drain.
75% of mosquito breeding sites are found in and around our homes. Individual action is key. Let's fight Zika.
So make sure send no stagnant water inside and mash up all mosquito breeding site. More hole in the tin them where you dash way. And special shout out to pregnant ladies. Protect yourselves and protect your babies. Draw for your zapper and your mosquito spray. If you do all that we can, keep them away. For we no war